Hello all, my name is Nishant. I am the co-founder of Lakshya, and thanks for providing this opportunity to present our solution to you. We are Bangalore based. We are working with urban underserved population in India, which constitute roughly 90 million customers. Currently, we are providing a simple saving solution to our customer where they can save as low as rupees 5 as many times in a day to build their emergency corpus or corpus to build their meet their short-term requirement. They can access this product through a mobile app which is built specifically for users with low phone skills. We are also developing an intent engine which takes into account customers' financial behavior, his asset cash flow and other data and filter recommended nudges which can help him to increase his savings habit or good financial behavior. Lakshya is backed by InView, a Netherlands-based impact investor. We are also part of the third financial inclusion cohort by Bharat Inclusion, which is backed by MetLife Foundation, Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, and Dale Foundation. Lakshya was able to build a corpus of 1.6 million rupees with its 200 customers, with an average balance maintained of around 8,000 to 10,000 rupees. People use this money during their emergency, be it medical, be it their job loss. Even during the recent COVID-19 crisis, when there was a countrywide lockdown, people availed this money to manage their fluctuations in their income and they were able to manage it without taking in additional debt. Taking a cue from this successful prototype, Lakshya has now digitized its whole saving solution, right from onboarding till withdrawal. It has provided customers with more flexibility in terms of how much they want to save, at what rate they want to save, and it also has given them the option of instant withdrawal to manage any emergency situations. It has also allowed Lakshya to customize its nudges and provide it in real-time basis for the customers to take action. For example, in case of an auto driver, we have now started focusing on his last ride and nudging him to save that amount towards his goal. So why does Lakshya emphasize so much on savings? Lakshya believes that savings is the foundation of a good financial health. All other products being equal, savings is the first step that a customer has to take to improve his financial health. Take example of one of our customers, Mr. Nagarajan. He was saving regularly with Lakshya by keeping aside the earning of his last ride to buy a new auto. Just today, his wife was hospitalized in an emergency situation. He was able to manage it with the corpus he built with Lakshya. He was relieved that he did not have to borrow the money during this COVID-19 situation. How Lakshya is different? Lakshya is different because it focuses on products which are simple, intuitive and low cost, which can be used by millions. It builds apps which can be used by users with low phone skills, and it wants to build a product suite which provides solutions across all stages of a customer life. Some of the components of Lakshya solutions are independent and country agnostic. For example, the financial app which we are building for users with low phone skills, the intent engine which will help us define the nudges to improve a customer's financial habit. While some of the solutions are dependent on a specific country's financial regulation and the digital infrastructure which is available. For example, in India, our solutions are riding heavily on India Stack, specifically Aadhaar and UPI. In the next 1 year, Lakshya wants to build a corpus of 150 million rupees with a base of 20,000 customers. Lakshya will charge 250 rupees per annum per customer as a subscription fee for the bouquet of financial products which it provides. Thanks for providing this opportunity to Lakshya. We have built a simple demo video of how our current solution works. Let's watch it together.